Hi, welcome to class. In this lecture series, we'll be looking at the application of a computer-based spreadsheet called Excel in engineering. A question that may come to mind is, why do we need a computer-based spreadsheet program? Engineers are frequently faced with the need to analyze and solve problems. In solving engineering problems, an engineer will require an understanding of the engineering principle that applies to the problem that is to be solved, familiarity with problem-solving techniques, and familiarity with the required mathematical solutions. In solving engineering problems, some of the engineering principles that are applied include the principle of equilibrium, the conservation laws, and the rate phenomenon. When these engineering principles are applied to engineering problems, they generate equations that will be required to be solved to get a solution to the problem that is being handled. Depending on the complexity of the problem, the equation generated might result in mathematical procedures that are complicated to solve. The calculations that are involved in solving the equations might be complicated. However, with the requisite understanding of the engineering principles that apply to the problem and the requisite application of these principles to the problem, and a very good understanding of the problem techniques to be used and the mathematical procedure, the availability of a computer-based spreadsheet will help to solve the problems easily. Excel as a computer-based spreadsheet is a very common computer application that can be used to solve diversified problems. With Excel, you can import, export, store, process, and sort your data. You can display data graphically. You can analyze your data statistically. You can fit algebraic equations through data sets. You can solve single and simultaneous algebraic equations. And you can also solve optimization problems using Excel. We'll be walking through each of these as the lecture proceeds. In general, this lecture series will be introduced to the Excel environment, and you will be shown how Excel can be used to solve a number of introductory engineering problems. I'm Dr. Babatunde. I'll be your host on this lecture series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video stimulating or educative, kindly like and share the video. Also consider subscribing to the channel to get real-time updates when new videos are uploaded. Thank you once again.